Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Kung isa ka sa mga naghanap ng trabaho at gusto maging call center agent ngayon 2025 pero nahihirapan ka sa English, this video is for you. I'm gonna make sure that I'm gonna share to you the step-by-step tips kung paano maging call center agent kahit na beginner ka pa lang at kahit wala kang work experience at kahit mahina ka pa sa English. So, stay until the end of this video kasi meron akong special bonus na isi-share at makakatulong sa iyo para makakuha ka agad ng first call center job mo. So, bakit call center ngayon 2025, no? So, isa pong malaking tulong ng call center ngayon is ang sahod kumpara sa ibang trabaho. At meron din po mga HMO benefits, allowance, transportation allowance, rice allowance, at mabilis na promotion. O ika nga nila is yung career growth path. Kaya kung gusto mong mag-level up ng income mo at mabilisan na paraan, being a call center agent is one of the best way to do it. Next is gamitin ang one sentence power method. No? So kahit mahina ang English mo, kayang-kaya mong sumagot sa interview gamit ang one sentence power method. No? So, an example is, I want to work in a call center because I want to help customers and also to earn good salary for my family. There you go. It's very simple, direct, and powerful. Next is to learn call center vocabulary very fast. No? Instead memorizing ang mga mahahabang phrases or sentence or words, mag-focus ka lang sa mga call center words like customer service, issues, solution, billing, inbound calls, outbound calls, BPO, business process outsource at maraming pang iba. Ito yung mga lalabas kasi lagi sa interview sa trabaho mo pag mag-a-apply ka. Next is to reset your confidence before sa interview. I know during the call center interview, confidence is isa sa mga pinakamalaking problema natin ngayon. Lagi po tayong kinakabahan, lalong-lalo na pag first time po natin. Normal lang po nakabahan kasi first time mo nga eh. Pero pag nasanay ka lang, kayang-kaya mo tong call center ito. Now, here are some of my tips to reset your confidence or to boost your confidence. Number one is just a simple breathing. No? Maghinga ka lang na maglalim at mag-relax ka lang. Take a deep breath, inhale, and then exhale. And also, always think positive or positive self-talk. Sabihin mo, no, na kayang-kaya mo yan, kayang-kaya mo to, kaya mo maging call center agent. O magiging call center agent ako. Kasi confidence sells more than English fluency. Po yan, hindi lang po English words ang kailangan sa call center, pati na rin po ang confidence. So pag nabusa po natin yung confidence natin, next na step na pagtutuunan natin ang pansin or pag-focus natin is kung paano maipasa ang call center interview. And here is my simple tip on how to pass any call center interview. So the most common question po sa mga call center is most likely it's gonna be tell me something about yourself. And my simple formula on how to answer tell me something about yourself is you start with your name, your highest educational attainment, your work experience if you ever have any, or your favorite hobby. And then end your answer with that is all. For example, good day, my name is Nicole. I came from Hinubaan, Negros Occidental. I took a Bachelor of Science in Nutrition and Dietetics at Silliman University. During my school at Silliman University, I worked as a student assistant at the Silliman Library. What I do, I arrange and sort books at the Silliman Library, and I help other students borrow books from the library. And helping other people is my passion, and that is all. Next question, why do you want to work in a call center? Simple formula, your reason plus benefit or anything good na maitutulong mo sa call center. For example, I want to work in a call center because it's a stable job with good salary, and I want to learn more English while helping other customers. Next question, how do you handle stress? Formula, first I acknowledge the problem, next is give the simple solution. For example, when I feel stress, I take a deep breath and focus on solving the problem one step at a time. I believe calm thinking helps customers more. Next question, what is a good customer service for you? The formula, simple definition plus why it is important. For example, for me, good customer service is listening carefully and giving clear answers. It is important because happy customers trust the company more. So my pro tip about this is just always smile, speak slowly, and use short sentences, because confidence is equals to good English, and for you to have a higher chance of getting hired. So guys, kung gusto nyo pa ng mas marami at detalyadong step-by-step guide at tips kung paano maging call center agent, may good news ako sa iyo ngayon. Ngayon may ginawa akong super simple na ebook para sa iyo. It's titled The No English Call Center Agents. Kung saan, i-share ko sa iyo mga secret tips kung paano pumasa sa call center interview, paano matuto ng simple but powerful English sa lalong madaling panahon, paano i-boost ang confidence mo para makuha ang trabaho. At sa loob ng ebook na ito ay matututunan mo sa chapter 1 kung bakit malaki ang sweldo sa call center, which is the Filipino dream. Chapter 2, one sentence power method para makasagot ka kahit konti lang ang English mo. Chapter 3, daily routine para matuto ng English step by step. Chapter 4, fast way to add call center vocabulary. Chapter 5, confidence reset ritual para mawala ang kaba mo. Chapter 6, interview cheat codes na pwede mong kopyahin, at marami pang iba. So the regular price for this ebook is 200 pesos. However, only today for the next 24 hours, I'm gonna give a 50% discount. So pag bumili ka ngayon, it's just only 100 pesos. Plus additional bonus with a one-on-one call center coaching with me via Zoom Live. So how to join or how to get the ebook and the call center coaching with me, just send me a message. There's gonna be a link on the description box below on my Facebook page. Send me the word ebook so I can give you the full message and for you to get the ebook and for us to schedule your one-on-one coaching. With that being said, guys, I wish you best of luck to your success.